Ever notice this? Someone yawns near you, and boom, you yawn too. You might have done it just now, right when I said the word. So what is going on in your brain? Scientists think it comes down to something called mirror neurons. These are tiny brain cells that copy what other people do. When you see someone yawn, those cells light up, and your body quietly follows along. It is a kind of automatic mimicking, and you barely notice it happening. But why would we copy each other at all? One idea is that yawning helped early humans stay in sync. If one person got sleepy, a shared yawn may have signaled the whole group to rest or to stay alert together. It was social glue, built right into our biology. Here is the wow part. The closer you feel to someone, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. You catch a family member's yawn faster than a stranger's. Your brain literally yawns harder for the people you love. Even dogs can catch yawns from their humans. So next time you yawn back at a friend, remember, that tiny moment is millions of years old. Did you yawn while watching this? Be honest,